Let me show you how to achieve this bridal gele style.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this bridal gele style. So what we do, this material is called ashoke, and you divide it 30-70. The shorter part is the 30, the longer part is the 70. Create as many pleats you can, then you reserve little material at the back to cover the back side. I'm not going to show you the back side because this my beautiful auntie, this my beautiful customer, the zip is open at the back, so that is the reason, guys, I'm not going to show the back right now. So concentrate, please. Just focus your eye on my hand. So what I am doing there now, I'm just trying to cross the gele at the back. So the way to cross it, the shorter one go up. You see the way I cross it already. I give her the shorter one to hold for me. Then I'm going to work on the 70. So the longer side is the 70. You create like 4 to 3 pleats, another 4 to 3 pleats. So you extend that 4 to 3 pleats to the end, the other part, the other side. So right now I have 4 to 3 pleats. You create like 4 to 3 pleats, then you just continue you extend. So what I'm trying now, I want to extend the 3 pleats I achieve again. Then always bring out that material at the back. So you see what I'm doing, I just extend that 3 pleats to the back side. Extend. So what I'm going to do there next, you tell her to hold there for you. Then we are if you like, you can knot it at the back together with that tighty. But I always advise people, now we use pin. Just use pin. I'm not showing the back because our body is open at the back. The zip is open. So right now I just use pin. That is what I am doing there now. After you use 2 to 3 pin, then you now start your setup to create that bridal fan. If today is the first time you come across my video, I have many videos that will help you how to do it on yourself. I have different quick head wrap. I base here in United Kingdom, London. You can book me for your event. We are into makeup. We do gele. We do traditional bridal hair, okoko. We do a lot of things. I have studio here in London, so you can book me for your photo shoots as well. Go to my Instagram. You will see many of my work. They are there. Pictures. You see the pictures of my photo shoot, the makeup, the attire. So anything you want. If you can't find it there, send me a picture. I will give it to you the way you want it. The makeup we do, we give it to our customer the way they want it. We do natural makeup, loud makeup, in between makeup, any type of makeup you want, I give it to you. Okay, my people, I hope una concentrate. So what we are doing now, you cut small at the side, cut big at the middle. This time, that is the secret. You cut small at the side, you take small plait at the side, you cut big plait at the middle. That is how you are going to achieve that hands fan, the bridal shape. Okay, so that is what we are doing now. Just focus your eye. If you want to know more explanation of all my tutorial, I have another YouTube channel which is Deg Beauty Life. So if you want to follow me, subscribe to that YouTube. If you are watching me from YouTube, subscribe to that my new YouTube is called Deg Beauty Life. So I do live on Facebook there with more explanation, but my upload videos, most of them, they are not, I don't upload anything head wrap in the upload video, except you go down below. So but my upload video, I upload them on this Deg Beauty YouTube. And as well, Facebook, if I'm on live on Facebook, I always be on live on YouTube. So if you want more explanation of all my tutorial, thank you everyone. I hope you are understanding. So right now we are just trying to set up that the side now. So we are setting it. If you can push, this is the time to push. If you want more height, so once you set, then you push. You set, you push. So if you want the gele to have more height, you set, you push. You set, you push. Okay, please, I want you to concentrate. Don't worry, I will show you the back later. We are going to see the back. I know many people will say, how was the back? The back is just normal. Any excess you have there, just twist them and make sure you set it proper, and just use pin to pin any area that needs pin. That is it, my people. The weather is getting hotter. Now we are in summer. Oh my God. You see, the weather is getting hotter. I don't know. Maybe it's because we just entered the summer. The way I am feeling it is, I don't know how to explain. In case you want to buy makeup product, I say original makeup product. You know, this summer you need many things to preserve your makeup. Like this auntie, I do her makeup off camera. If you want to know some of my makeup tutorial, come to my live stream. If you want to purchase, you want to buy makeup, you see the way I'm just lifting it up. You see the way I'm lifting it up. You see the way I'm lifting. So, but before you lift it up, the other of your hand must support the other side so that the whole thing will not just fall down. So we are going to set this side as well. So if you want to buy makeup product, I have original makeup product and they are affordable. So my number is always at the end of all my video. Contact me. And I said perfume as well. You need to smell good. You need to look good. You want makeup for your natural makeup, large makeup. I have everything you need as a lover of makeup. At least if you are buying from me, just have it in mind. You are going for the best. Okay, thank you. I'm just trying to set up. You know, this time needs more set until you are satisfied. Continue to set. That is the secret of this style. There are some of the material, they are very easy to set. There are some of the material is difficult to set. Okay, depend the width, the wideness. Okay, that is it, my people. So for me, this one is okay. But if you have time, you can do more setting. She's happy, she's popping, she's ready. This is the funnel. Take a look at the back. This is the back. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye for now.
Woo! Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got that beauty right here.